Hi friends, today I am sharing 10 questions asked at Fidelity shared by our group member. You can also download the PDF with the questions and answers from the top mate link in the pinned comment or from the description box. So question number 1. You have a developer on your Scrum team who often complains. He is sometimes rude during the team calls and does not work well with the others. So you have already spoken to them privately a few times and tried to coach them, but nothing has changed. So his behavior is now affecting the rest of the team. So what would you do as a Scrum Master in this situation? And how you are going to manage it if the person still does not change? That's a question number 1. Question number 2. Think of two real situations from your experience. One where things did not go well and you feel failed as a Scrum Master, and one where things went really well and you help the team succeed. Can you tell us about both? And what happened? What did you do? And what do you learn from each of them? Question number 3. So your organization is exploring the use of AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot to help the developers and even the product owners. So some team members are excited, but others are unsure or worried that AI will replace their work. So how would you support your team during this change, and how you have helped them see the value of AI while also making sure that they feel safe and supported? So have you worked with any AI tools in your past projects? And friends, before we move on, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest real interviews questions. And if this helps, please hit like. Your one like is a great motivation for all of us to sharing more insight content. So the fourth question is, as a Scrum Master, what steps would you take to address the technical risk early into the sprint? And how would you help the team and the product owner to evaluate and mitigate the risk? How would you communicate these risks to the stakeholders to keep them informed without causing the panic? And can you share an experience where you have successfully managed a technical risk? So all these are the follow-up questions. Question number 5. Your leadership asks you to show how your Scrum team is performing. They want numbers like velocity, burn down, and cycle time. Your team feels uncomfortable thinking that the matrices will judge them. So, how would you handle this? How would you use matrices in a way that helps the team to improve without creating a pressure? And can you give an example of a time when you use all these data and matrices to help the team? So friends, to get the remaining 5 questions and all the 10